morning, my dear students. Today, class, we are going to see Civics Unit 5, Road Safety Rules and Regulation. The roads are one of the most crucial inventions of man. In today's world, transport has become an integral part of every human being. Road safety is primarily meant about to protect and provide security of all those who travel on roads. Importance of road safety. Every day, the newspaper report of accidents of road and mishaps occurring frequently. Road accidents are undesired events that lead to injury or death. The problem does not lie with roads. It is our carelessness that result in such misfortune. The loss of life result in the loss of livelihood. Our traffic is a heterogeneous mix of slow moving as well as high speed vehicles, which is the cause for problem. Reasons for the road accidents. Overspeeding. The higher the speed, greater the risk. Most of the fatal accidents occur due to overspeeding. Increase in speed multiplies the risk of accident and severity of injury during an accident. Tailgating is illegal and dangerous habit. Drunken driving. Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration and driving under the influence of alcohol cause accident. Distraction to driver. Distraction would be outside or inside the vehicle. The major distraction nowadays is talking and mobile phone while driving. Some other distraction are inattentive or loss in thought. Daydreaming, adjusting mirror while driving, stereo in vehicle, animals on road, banners and billboards, etc. Red light jumping. The main motive behind red light jumping is saving time. Studies have shown that traffic signal followed properly by all the drivers saves time and commuters. Destination safely and on time. Avoiding safety gears. Use of seat belt in four-wheelers and helmets for two-wheelers have been brought under law. Other different factors. Drivers. Overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand signs. Fatigue and consumption of alcohol. Pedestrian. Carelessness, illiteracy, crossing at wrong place, moving on roads and jaywalkers. Passengers projecting their body outside the vehicle by talking to drivers, traveling on footboards, catching a running bus, etc. Vehicles failure of brakes of steering, tire burst, insufficient headlights, overloading and projecting loads. Road condition, damaged road, potholes, eroded road, merging of rural road with highways, diversion and illegal speed breakers. Weather condition, fog, snow, heavy rainfall, wind, storms and hailstorms. Safety measure, always keep to the left while driving, keep to the left and allow vehicles to pass from the opposite direction. Slow down on bends and turn. A very important thing to keep in mind is to become cautious and slow down on the bends. Use helmet. Make it habit. Stripping the helmet before mounting the bike. Never exceed the speed limit. Maintain the right distance. Park the vehicles only along the designated parking zone. Follow the road signs. Road signs are mostly pictorial, so it is not hard to comprehend. Some other safety tips are: never ever drive when drunk. Never use cell phone while driving. Avoid listening to too loud music. Check your mirrors. Before changing lanes, always wear seat belt. Always remain calm while driving and never yell or shout at the pedestrian or other drivers. For pedestrians, cross only at zebra crossing. Traffic signs. Traffic signs are there to traffic signs are there to regular traffic. Understanding traffic signs is essential. There are three types of traffic signs. Mandatory signs give order and need to be followed strictly. They are generally in circular in shape. Cautionary signs warn the user regarding road situation again. They are generally in triangular shape. Information signs give information regarding direction, destination, etc. They are generally in rectangle shape. Traffic signals. Traffic light is a signaling device that is positioned at a road intersection. Pedestrian crossing to indicate when it is safe to drive, ride or walk using a universal color code. Red. This signal indicates to stop begin the stop line. Amber or yellow. This signal indicates stop. Do not pass through or short until green shows. Green. This signal indicates you may go if the way is clear. Steady green arrow signal. This signal may be provided in addition to the full green signal. This indicates to proceed with caution in the direction the arrow points. Flashing red signal. It means to come to complete stop. Proceed only when the way is clear. Flashing yellow signal. It indicates to slow down and proceed with caution. Traffic rules in India. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 passed by the Parliament, which came into force in 1989, is applicable to the whole of India. On one-way road, the driver should allow the overtaking vehicles through the right. Never park the vehicle in reverse on a one-way street. On a two-way road, the driver must drive on the left side of the road. It is mandatory for the driver to slow down at all interjunction and pedestrian crossing. Drivers should not use the horns in the prohibited areas like hospital zone, school zones, etc. It is our responsibility to give way to emergency vehicles. Drivers should use e-beam only when necessary. When the driver slowly down his vehicle, he has to raise the right arm and swing it up and down gently. If the driver is standing right, he has to extend the arm straight out with the palm facing front. In case of emergency, the hazard indicator should be used, which will switch on both the indicators. On a two-wheeler, only 1 billion riders is allowed. Different colors number plates. Red number plate is used in the vehicle for the President of India and Governor of States. Blue number plate is given to vehicle that is used by foreign delegates, ambassadors. White number plate, it means that the car belongs to the common citizen. Yellow number plate is for commercial vehicle. Essential documents. A driver should possess the following documents while driving the vehicle: driving license, registration certificates of the vehicle, taxation certificate, insurance certificate, fitness certificate and permit. Step taken by the government to prevent road accident. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has taken a number of steps to prevent road accident and road accident of fatalities. A multi-pronged strategy has been adopted based on four: forest engineering, enforcement education and emergency care for ensuring road safety, improving vehicular safety standards. Trucks are prohibited from carrying poor-routing roads. Anti-locking brake system (ABS) has been made mandatory on heavy vehicles. Indication of ABS or CBS for two-wheelers are made mandatory. Automatic headlights made mandatory for two-wheelers to make them more conspicuous. Pilot project for cashless treatment of road accident. It is this project has already done in the stretch of NH 8 and NH 33. Now it is proposed to implement this scheme along the golden quadrilateral north-south and east-west corridors. Quick response ambulance are parked in every 50 kilometers on the national highway by the National Highway Authority of India. Speed governors. The device has a series of sensors that can detect how fast a vehicle is going and if this crosses the limit set by it. It restricts the flow of air and fuel to the engine. This automatically slows down and stops the vehicle. These are LED boards which can display in the patent information that needs to be communicated to commuters. Brasilia Declaration on Road Safety. It is the second global high-level conference on the road safety, co-sponsored by the WHO. India signed Brasilia Declaration in 2015, through which the participations across the world are committed to improve road safety and ways to reduce the traffic death by the end of this decade. Road Safety Weeks. Road Safety Weeks national event aimed at raising public awareness about traffic rules and ultimately to reduce casualties due to road accident. National Road Safety Weeks in India is organized by the National Safety Council of India. National Road Safety Weeks is observed in the month of January every year. Decade of Action for Road Safety 2001 to 2020. Decade of Action for Road Safety 2011 to 2020, officially proclaimed by the UNO General Assembly. The decade seeks to save millions of lives by improving the safety of roads and vehicles, enhancing the behavior of road users and improving emergency service. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies suggested 10 points as follows. Use a seat belt, wear a helmet and a motorcycle, drive at speed and distance suitable for the conditions, not drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs, not use mobile phone while driving, be visible as a pedestrian or cyclist, know and respect the highway codes, maintain my vehicles in a good condition, be licensed and trained for the vehicle I drive, know how to react in case of crash. Road traffic accidents are predictable and therefore preventable. So everyone should strictly follow the road safety rules and signs. Start early, drive slowly, reach safety. With this lesson is over. We will meet in the next online class. Thank you, my dears. Thank you.